5 Best Manual Coffee Grinder. Here is the product number 5. Ecocoffee High Quality Manual Coffee Grinder. Ecocoffee High Quality Manual Coffee Grinder, 25 grams aluminum coffee miller, black mini milling machine for V60 single coffee. Brand name, Ecocoffee. Item, mini coffee grinder. Material, wood. Material, alloy steel. Feature, portable. Model number, NM250. Color, black, slivery. Here is the product number 4. Silver Coffee Grinder Mini Stainless Steel. This manual coffee grinder is made from 304 stainless steel. This material is non-toxic, odorless, rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. Built-in adjustable grind knob ensures you have precision control over the coarseness of your pour-over, drip, cold brew, percolator, espresso. Easy to clean, every compartment can be removed for clean. You can clean with soapy water, rinse, and dry well. Here is the product number 3. HAANZHALL 50 Manual Coffee Grinder. Delicate workmanship and excellent grinding effect. Suitable for grinding coffee beans, pepper, etc. Adopts safely grinding design, convenient and fast. Stainless steel grinding core guarantee fast grinding speed and uniform grinding size. Diameter, 50 mm. Capacity, 25 grams. Feature, washable. Here is the product number 2. HAANZHALL Mini Manual Coffee Grinder. HAANZHALL Mini Manual Coffee Grinder Q2 Series Portable Coffee Mill, easy disassembly for cleaning, 420 stainless steel Burr. Brand name, HAANZHAAL. Material, acrylic. Material, alloy steel. Material, aluminum. Here is the product number 1. Manual Coffee Grinder Stainless Steel. Minimal design of body. Patterned surface with easy hand grip. Adjustable coarseness point to point. Unibody metal body with high precision. High hardness metal burrs. Weight, 430 grams. Color: white/black/red. Grinder size: body 147x52, handle 159 mm.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.